going on, y'all? Check it out. As most of y'all know, I went to Wisconsin the other weekend for a little fishing trip. Went up there to try to catch me some salmon. Hey, I ain't catch none. My partner caught some though. You know, he got him a little salmon. It was pretty good. We cooked them up, tasty. But y'all, we caught some catfish too. We caught some wildlife. And we caught another fish that I can't really remember the name of right now. But when I do a video on it, I will give you the name of that fish. But anyway, today, we're gonna do these whole fried catfish. And they finna be so tasty. But anyway, let's get into this. And let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So yeah, y'all. Let's go ahead and start off with getting some seasoning on our catfish. Gotta rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, some pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some red hot riplet seasoning. Now I tried this seasoning out. I didn't know if I would like it or not, but I said, hey, why not try it? So for our bread, we're gonna go half and half cornmeal and flour. And to that, we're gonna rain on them with a little garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and of course at the end, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of oregano. Gotta love that oregano, y'all. Got to. Then we're gonna give that a good mix. Then it's time to get our fish in. Now when we put our fish in, we're gonna make sure that we get that good breading over every piece of that fish. Inside the fish, everywhere. You wanna make sure we get that breading everywhere. Tasty, y'all. Tasty. Now this whole catfish here is my wife's favorite way to eat catfish. She loves these. Absolutely love them. I do too, y'all, for real. But yeah, once we get them breaded up really good, we just want to make sure that breading is good. But once we get it right, guess what? It's time to check that oil, y'all. Time to check that oil. So we want to start off with a temperature of about 375 for real, because as soon as we add in our catfish, temperature gonna drop. And we're gonna reach our target temperature, which is really 350. Oh yeah. Love to see that good catfish frying. Tasty, y'all. Tasty. So after frying for about 3 minutes on that side, we're gonna give it a little flip, which we kind of really don't need to, but we still gonna do it anyway, just to make sure we get everything crispy. Cause I gotta have my tater chip. Y'all don't know what I call the tater chip, or I guess the fish chip is that tail, that end piece of that tail that, oh my goodness, always have loved that piece of fish my whole life since a kid. But anyway, after another 3 minutes of frying, which is a total of about 6, it's time to get that fish out, y'all. Time to get it out. Now, of course, depending on the size of your fish, that time is going to vary. Our fish wasn't that big, so our fish cooked pretty quickly. So let's go ahead and plate up. I had me some peas with mine, green pea. Also had me some fresh tomato, avocado, and oh yeah, I enjoyed myself, y'all. That fish was so tasty and so crunchy, just the way I like it. And check out that bite there, right there, y'all. Check it out. Like I say, I ended up eating about 3 pieces of fish. And I really enjoyed myself. But anyway, y'all, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.